worst part of owning an airplane with polished aluminum surfaces is, of course, polishing aluminum. I bought this kit from Flitz the last time I was at Sun and Fun, and it's been sitting on the shelf. It's time to go to Sun and Fun again in a week, so I thought I would take one more crack at polishing this airplane. I've never been able to get a really clean job out of any of the other products I've tried. Just really been disappointed with it, but I'm going to take a shot here with Flitz. We'll see what happens. Here's the first surface that we're going to work on, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, here's the finished product. It was much easier than any of the previous polish treatments I've used. Really happy with this. I've got some buffing to do tomorrow, but the majority of the work is done. It just took a couple hours, and as I say, it was so much easier than anything else I've used before. So great product, really happy with it.